It's the bar right here.
Oh.
Whatever that girl's name is.
Yeah, Mansfield.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mimi, because now every time I see it, I'm going to think of her. And you know what? I had read that it was a misconception that she actually was not decapitated. They said that she had a wig on at the time. She had blonde hair, and they found the wig on there. I guess we could look that up.
Oh, look at this. Look at that.
Oh no!
That's a freaking blank corner, retard.
Oh, no. Oh,
Jesus.
Jesus.
He slows down for
And then, oh, how hateful is that? Look at that.
Niles Canyon is
Look
not
at
a
that.
road to be
Look
fucking
at
off
that.
on.
What is he doing? Look at him.
Being a fucking douchebag.
Look at that.
He was like flashing, like back there, he was like flashing the high beams and stuff at this guy.
What an idiot.
That makes a lot of sense.
Look at this. What an idiotic move. To make a pass on a double yellow just for this, he has it in for this guy, obviously.
And the Prius truck right there.
There's so much hatred. That's a hateful move. Yeah. Look at that.
Well, it really doesn't matter. We're all going to get bunched up at the stop sign anyway.
What's his
But I would not
Look
be,
at that. What's his
I
point?
wouldn't be screwing off with a big guy like this.
Yeah.
Who's gonna?
Yeah.
You don't know who's driving this thing. This could be some psychopath that's
Ram
gonna
right
hate
into him.
Priuses and
That is so mean.
yeah.
I've never seen that's infantile, man.
Yeah. What grade are we in?
Yeah, really. I guarantee. If this poor guy, if he's on a schedule, he's peeved. And if he tries to pass him, the other guy's going to speed up.
Yeah.
You watch.
Oh, fucking. 20. We're only 20 miles an hour. Look at all the cars behind us.
Oh my. He better wish that he doesn't do that to somebody who's packing. He needs to be taken care of. That is so wrong. He was being an infant.
Well, everybody behind us. Oh yeah, now he's kind of getting up on his ass.
Okay.
Surprised this guy's playing his cool.
I know. He's working for a company. I was driving a company truck.
Look, I mean, you can't expect this guy to be jamming down the street. He's got all his gear in the back and stuff, and he's scaffolding and stuff.
Sure, he's ready to
He's
go
got
home.
to take the corners, conservatively with a big truck like this.
So he was probably peeved
so-
because he was holding up
So he's
production.
mad, and then so what's this? What's the point of this? Because now he's an idiot, man. Okay.
Who's
People
honking?
behind us are starting to honk now.
It's got his windshield wiper on. And that's supposed to be the subtle bird. And he can carry things too far, huh? I remember when BLK did that to me in Livermore. You know where it was at Dolores.
Someone's gonna end up passing. Like, I mean, this is where you can have freaking head-on collision.
I know, impatience. Yeah, they would probably come from the police station. I'm on Dolores, and I'm on East Avenue. And I gave them the turn. We both stopped at the same time. I gave them the right away. They didn't take it. So I took off, and then they acted like they had to get it out. So then they jumped in front of me, and they did that. Right, so I let them have their way. And they kept doing that. And then we got to 4th. I changed lanes, and then they got in front of my lane. Right? They were playing little cat and mouse games like that.
What he's doing is against the law. He's impeding traffic.
Yeah, he is.
I mean,
that's so vile.
should freaking call the cops on him.
That's vile. See if I can get the
We're all gonna
license
find.
plate. Now playtime over, huh? This truck wants to grab.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want me to write the number down? Oh, they do it purposely. I got a good shot of that.
He's like almost running into the wall.
He's right on the edge, yeah.
Guardrail.
I was waiting for him to take a dip. Yeah, this world has gone mad. It's pettiness at its worst.
Oh my
Can you believe this? Such a power kick, huh?
Just press and hold the button and it'll take a bunch of shots.
I can't get it now. I'm gonna write it down. Sunlight's right on that damn plate.
Everybody behind us is trying to see what And I let this guy go in front of me. I was being courteous because he was coming off that side road, you know, like every other car thing.
Yeah.
And I go and let him in. I should have just freaking not let him in. Did you take off, or is you still there?
Oh, he's still there. And the sunlight is on the license plate. Guess he finally got over it. Yeah, he knows he's coming to the end of the line there. Jerk. He's going to meet his match someday. He's going to go that way again. Hope he follows him to the end of the world. My God.
Idiot Prius driver.